Hey everyone, yes, I'm back and I'm still alive. And welcome back to my dirty carpet. Today I'm going to start a new series called Epic Goodwill Finds or something like that. I'm literally about to create a playlist because I do go to Goodwill on a daily basis and I do find some cool stuff. This is one of the cool stuff I found. I'm going to show the other one off in another video. Probably in like another 5 months, I don't know. So I found here a ultra compact DVD player. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about smashing this, actually. But I'm going to give it 2 months, and if I like it and I actually find it useful, I don't know. I mean, it comes in its box, but it's just like, I don't even know what it comes with. I literally just took a little peek of it. Yeah, I don't know. I might smash it. I don't know. I was going the good one. I wanted to smash something. I looked at this and I was like, maybe. Anyway, I'll give it 2 months. Anyway, so let's go over the box here. DVD for every room. This is such a 2000s thing, of course. Yeah, just like my childhood. Now, this is a cool little DVD player. I do have a better DVD player, which is this thing. It's LG DVD player that goes with my LG TV. So, you know. And it's a Super Multi DVD player. And a VHS player. It's beautiful. But this thing is just a little thing, you know? Anyway. So, DVD for every room. Okay. Top loading DVD player. Ultra compact design. Fully functional remote. I hope the batteries are not in that remote still, because if so, they're probably corrupted. Okay, the features. Over 500 horizontal lines, crystal clear pictures, slow mass zoom operation. Okay, you guys can just read all this if you want to. AV cable. I hope it comes with that. Not really. I have enough of those, but yeah. Okay. RCA video out, digital, coax, analog, and the rest is just the same size. It's a Kobe. I did rip the box a little bit when I was trying to open it. Right there. It was not like that before. Yeah, so it's definitely used. But we'll set this aside just like every other unboxing thing that people do. Okay. I found the remote. Okay, oh! What is this? I don't even know what this is, but this is a disc. I'll put that in a computer. I do have a computer, I'll put that in. Oh yeah, the remote. Okay, let's see if the batteries are... It's actually a nice remote. It's a little bit confusing, but... Oh no, I knew it. See, I called it. Oh, wait. Oh, they're not corroded. I don't even know. Maybe those were recently put in there. I don't know. I'll leave it like that. Let's go for the manual. User manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can read all of those. Pause the video. I'm not going to go through it. I'll make a website if you guys want to. Care for disc. Yeah, about DVD. The remote. The hookups. I guess that's the UI user interface. This plays music? Maybe it is worth keeping it around. I don't actually have a CD player. I had one, but it broke. Yeah, it's just the UI, so you can get a sneak peek of the UI, I guess, right? Okay. There's like no HDMI hookup, which is fine because, actually, I have a HDMI thing somewhere. There it is, it's over there. Yeah, anyway. We'll put this disc in a computer shortly. It's nothing. Actually, oh, it's a DVD. Okay, it's actually just a DVD. So I can just put it in anything, actually. Wait, is this even supposed to come with it? What is this? Wait, what is this? Oh no, I think this is the Family Home movie. What? But then it... No, why would somebody do that though? Anyway, we'll look through that later. Alright, here's the unit itself. Oh, here's the AV cables. Can never... Actually, I don't have much of this. Well, I had... Same thing with the CD player, they all broke. Not all of them, like one of them did, but then that lowered my fleet because I only had 3 and then I had 2, and now I have 3 again. Nice. AV cables. Alright, so let's look at the unit itself here. So, open. Is that supposed to look like that? I have no idea. But it looks good. The hinge is really nice still. Alright, and this only runs off of AV connections, which is fine. I have a TV that runs off of AV. That kind of rhymed, actually. But I need my converter box. So, fortunately, I do have this thing. I need to get the power cord for it, but yeah, I'll be right back with you guys once I get this all hooked up. Okay guys, I just remembered that I actually don't even need the converter. I actually forgot I had this thing. Because this TV does have AV. So there's AV, the AV cords go in there. And then I have this splitter. So really the only thing that's left to do is plug it in. If it doesn't blow up. But we will see about that. Don't blow up. Ah, there you go. Okay. So let's turn her on. Power. Has a little transparent window. Oh, yeah. So it does in fact work. No disc. Kobe! I'll put this in here. The hinges are nice and strong. Okay. Loading disc. Sorry for the fisheye lens. I'm shooting with my old shooter I used to shoot with on this camera. It's funny you can see the DVD's going so fast. I heard it stop. Still going? No. Oh, there it goes. It's broken! Okay. So apparently it does not work. Well, or this CD don't work. This CD doesn't work. Here, I happen to have Fox Greatest Hits here. No, actually, I don't want to put that beautiful DVD in there. I do, even though it's like a really short DVD. But anyway, I'll put Click in here, which I also kind of like that movie. Santa Claus. Okay, I don't care about this movie. Never even watched it. I think I did when I was little, but. There it goes. This is a real DVD in here, so it should work. Give me something. Nope. Quits. It don't work. I'm gonna give it a minute, but it's not wanting. stops. See? You can see his beard. It just gives up. See? Wrong disc. It says wrong disc. I don't know. I'm gonna try the other disc again. Oh, I didn't damage my disc, which is good. Where's the other disc that I threw across the room? There it is. Okay, I'm gonna try this disc again. And we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what I mean by wrong disc. It should just say more something like disc error. Look, now I have a reason to smash this thing. If you have when you buy a hunk of shit from Goodwill. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I'll clean the lens. Wrong disc, aka disc error, I'm pretty sure. Just Kobe's way of saying it. Yeah, let me see this disc real quick. Oh, that left a number on it. Oh, we got some smashing action. I don't know. Okay, well, I guess we're going to be waiting less than 2 months for this thing. Guys, I don't know, guys. Should I, like, just preserve it in its box, maybe? Or just have it in its box? You know what, though? Nah. It's just a DVD player. It's nothing really special. It's just a DVD. Just a DVD player. That's all it is. Like, it's literally, it's absolutely nothing. Like, it's... How did I put a DVD in correctly? I don't want to do that. But I do want to see if this DVD has anything on it, though. Nah, I'm not going to put it in now, but I don't want to cut myself. Okay. So yeah, guys, with that, thank you guys for watching this disappointment. I'm gonna unplug it so we don't die now. And thanks for the. I mean, at least I got free AV cables though. Can never have too much of those. At least for me, anyway. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. It was a failure. And yeah, so expect a smashing video on the 3rd or something like that. Yeah, I'll probably do it on the 30th. So, hello, why don't you just return it? All sales are final on the receipt. So for now, I'll put it back in its box, and November 30th will be its death. It asked for it, just saying. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video, this disappointment. And, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.